Clownfish, belonging to the subfamily Amphiprione, are fascinating marine creatures known for their symbiotic relationship with sea anemones. Clownfish have a mutualistic relationship with sea anemones. The clownfish provide the anemone with food in the form of small prey and nutrients from their waste. In return, the anemone offers the clownfish protection with its stinging tentacles, which deter predators. Clownfish have a special mucus coating that makes them immune to the stings of sea anemones. This mucus is thicker and lacks the chemical triggers that cause anemones to sting. They are renowned for their bright orange color with white stripes, though some species exhibit different colorations and patterns, such as black, yellow, and even blue hues. Clownfish are protandrous hermaphrodites, meaning all individuals are born male, and the dominant male can change to female if the dominant female dies. This ensures the stability of their social hierarchy. They live in small groups dominated by a breeding pair. The largest fish is the female, the second largest is the breeding male, and the rest are smaller non-breeding males. They lay their eggs on flat surfaces close to their host anemone. The male takes on the primary role of guarding and aerating the eggs until they hatch, which is rare among fish. After hatching, clownfish larvae are planktonic, drifting in the open ocean before settling down and finding an anemone to inhabit. This dispersal phase can cover significant distances. Clownfish communicate using popping and clicking sounds. These sounds are used during aggressive interactions and can be a way to establish social hierarchy within their groups. They can live up to 6 to 10 years in the wild and even longer in captivity. They primarily inhabit warm waters in the Indo-Pacific region, including the Great Barrier Reef and the Red Sea. The clownfish gained immense popularity due to the animated film Finding Nemo, which has also increased awareness about marine conservation and the importance of protecting coral reefs and their inhabitants.